Check out this beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Corvette. It is an LT1. It's a gorgeous car, as you can see, privately owned. Same owner for the last 4 or 5 years, and the previous owner had it for 20. It's an absolutely beautiful car, red on tan, loaded with options, leather interior, power steering, power brakes, power windows. It's an LT1. The car is immaculate in and out. I mean, super clean. 70,000 original miles. It's got that distinctive LT1 hood and striping. All the chrome is gorgeous. Rally wheels. Just absolutely beautiful. T-tops. Look at the inside. 4-speed. Tilt wheel. Gorgeous car all around. Everything works. Check it out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. What a gorgeous car.